This is actually for John. You know, looking at your walking stick that you carved and gave to me, I'm like, that's amazing. It's way, but I mean, these are atlatls that I made that you've seen. Here's a drinking horn that I made recently. It's actually quite large. Yeah, see. Of course, the dog wants it. She wants to chew on it. Put this back. And it's like, here's a walking stick that's actually what Sir Patrick called what do you call it? Peasant hammer, right? I thought that was kind of neat. Here's a ceremonial hat I made many years ago. I used different types of metal in the chainmail. Copper, stainless. I think there's some brass in there. And it's done on a kind of a rigid frame. So I recommend wearing some sort of padding or hoodie or knit cap underneath it. Now, sorry about the cats. Now, here, now I got a cold steel battle axe, but I made the sheath for it, which I rather like. Oh, my chickens made the feathers. Put this back up there. Okay. So yeah, I made all these. Made those. And here's your walking stick. It's in a place of honor, a place of pride, right here next to my atlatl darts, and my sword and my shield. But what I wanted to show you is this. I made this. This is actually kind of a twisty maple. I got the raw stick from Seamus some years ago, and I cleared it off. And see, it's not even lacquered; it's just polished. And it grew like this. I just cleaned it up and I shortened it. And I didn't like the flat top on the shortened version. So I think sometime last year, I went and I bought this from Hobby Lobby or something. And mounted it on a peg and gave it a little transition wrap right here. So it's not utterly fantastic, but fits the hand well. It's quite thuddy when it hits the ground. I don't know, thought you might appreciate taking a look at that. It's I have it sitting right here. I actually use it for scaring cats. I mean, you see my Vardo, I made that. I'm really proud of my darts. I mean, they work. This is one of my first ones right here. Oh, it's a cat. Hi there. Hi there. Yes, who are you? What's your name? Oh, you're Cocoa Bean. Hi, Cocoa Bean. This is Precious Baby Cocoa Bean. So this is one of my first ones. This is with the fletchings I got from the archery store. And then later ones like this one. These are feathers I got from another vendor online. I just shortened them, which in retrospect, I kind of wish I hadn't. These are from a vendor I got online, but I did this. This is a splice that's covering up a break here and a break here. And, well, this actually works, believe it or not. So you've seen my darts. Here's one. Now, what I did with this one. Come on. Release. Is I put a socket on it. so that I could put I have these 12-inch pre-points that I can mount on in these sockets. So this is a 5-foot shaft, but with the 12-inch pre-point, it becomes 6 feet. And because of the lack of friction with these, this little sucker flies very well. So it's actually a 6-foot dart, even though it's only standing 5 feet. So those are my battle axes. Those are my throwing axes. Cats everywhere. Anyway, just a very quick, very short look at some of the stuff that I've made, and then of course, here's this beautiful, beautiful piece of work right here, made by John. Anyway, pardon the mess. I just got up. Cats usually destroy everything. Real quickly, this is an electric spinning machine that my lady has and uses. This is a carding machine, automatic carding. Here's a manual carder. It's for carding wool. Get out of the way. Yes? It's a broken twig. His twig's a little broken. Of course, there's a spinning machine there. Carding machine, manual, one of two. It's a set. This is a manual winder for winding you. Doesn't matter. So, just a very quick, very crude look at some of the stuff I've made. Now, I did not make this, obviously, but I did have it made. This was actually, this is a World of Warcraft emblem for the Horde, and Overlords for Hire was a D&D group that I was in. So I actually had it made in honor of that, but it doesn't matter. Stupid cats. Wow. Yowler. Cocoa Bee. All right. That's it. Just a very quick look around at some of the just stuff, offhand stuff that, I work on, the Rain works on. And I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.